Welcome to Cunnekt. In this video, you'll see how to create and publish a campaign on Cunnekt step by step, from start to finish. Let's begin. Before creating a campaign, two things need to be in place. 1. Sender's number should be onboarded on Cunnekt. 2. Your daily messaging limit decides how many contacts you can reach in a single day. To start creating your first campaign, open your browser and log into your Cunnekt account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll navigate everything in Cunnekt. Find the option Campaigns and click it. The next screen shows all the campaigns you've created so far, their names, status, and basic details at a glance. If this is your first time, the list will be empty. That's fine. Look to the top right corner of this page and click the Create Campaign button. That's where we're headed next. You're now in the Campaign Details section. This is where you set the foundation for your campaign. Select the account or channel you want to send this campaign from. If you have multiple numbers connected to Cunnekt, make sure you pick the right one here. Next, type a campaign name. Don't use generic labels like Campaign 1. Give each campaign a name that tells you exactly what it covers. Now choose your campaign type. There are two options here. Single campaign means you're sending one message template to your audience. One message, one time. This works well for announcements, offers, reminders, or any communication that doesn't need a follow-up sequence. Drip campaigns mean you're sending a sequence of templates, each one going out at a different scheduled time. So you could send an intro message today, a follow-up 2 days later, and a final reminder on day 5. All automated, all pre-scheduled. One important thing, whichever type you choose, you'll need at least one approved WhatsApp template before you can move forward. Templates need to be approved by Meta before they can be used in campaigns. If you haven't created one yet, click the I button at the top right of the screen. It links directly to the template creation guide. Once your type is selected and you have a template ready, click Next to continue. You are now ready to choose your audience. This is one of the most important steps, selecting who receives your campaign. Cunnekt gives you 3 ways to choose your audience. Option 1. Filter by tag. If you've tagged your contacts earlier by city, interest, or any other category, select the relevant tag from the drop-down. Cunnekt will pull up all contacts under that tag automatically. The screen shows you the exact number of contacts selected. Review that number before moving on. Option 2. Custom audience. You can filter contacts by date or by specific contact attributes like city, course interest, or age group. You can also filter by conversation labels. For example, contacts whose last conversation was tagged as hot lead or interested. Option 3. Upload CSV. If your contacts aren't already in Cunnekt, or you want to reach a very specific list, use this option. Choose Upload CSV file on the pop-up. Download the sample CSV file first. The format in the file must match exactly. The mandatory fields are country code, phone number, name, and email. Beyond these, you can add custom attributes as extra columns. Fill in your data in that format and upload the file. After uploading, you can assign an agent and attach a tag to the contacts if needed, though both are optional. After uploading a CSV, a map attributes screen appears. It shows you how each column in your uploaded file is being matched to a contact field inside Cunnekt. So your phone column maps to the phone number field, your name column maps to the contact name field, and so on. Once everything is mapped, click Confirm, then hit Confirm to move forward. Note: for all 3 audiences, you'll also see a checkbox called Filter Unsubscribed Contacts at the bottom. Turn this on. It automatically removes anyone who has opted out of receiving messages. This keeps your campaign clean and keeps you compliant. Once your audience is set, click Next. Now you'll choose the message that gets sent to your audience. For a single campaign, click the Select Template button. A list of your approved templates appears. Click on the one you want. Preview is visible on the right, showing you exactly what the message looks like, including any buttons or media attached to it. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm. If your template has variables, like a contact's name or course name, this is where you map them. Select the matching contact attribute for each variable so Cunnekt knows what to fill in when the message goes out. You'll then have 2 choices. Either schedule the campaign for a future date and time, or click Next to continue setting up and publish immediately. For a drip campaign, the process is similar, but you're selecting multiple templates, up to 5. For each one, you pick the template message and then set the date and time for each template to be sent. So each template is sent at its scheduled time. Plan your message flow before you hit publish. The gap between messages makes a big difference. Send them too quickly, and it can feel overwhelming. Wait too long, and you risk losing interest. Once all your templates are lined up and scheduled, click Next. It will take you to the next screen, where you can publish the campaign. Review what's shown on screen, your campaign details, including estimated cost. If everything looks right, click Publish Campaign. Cunnekt will process it and redirect you back to the campaign list page. Your new campaign now appears in the list with its name, type, audience count, and status. If it's scheduled, it will show the scheduled time. If it's live, it will show as active. Once your campaign has gone out, you'll want to know how it performed. Here's how. On the campaign list page, find the campaign you want to review. On the right side of that row, you'll see a small report icon. Click it. Single report. The campaign report opens with a full overview. At the top, you'll see your campaign delivery status and headline numbers, total messages sent, delivered, and read. For each contact in your campaign, the table shows their name, phone number, delivery status, the time the message was sent, when it was delivered, and when it was read. In the report, you get advanced options to select any contacts, click bulk action, and choose from 4 options: add to tag, broadcast, export, or convert to lead retarget, follow up, or push contacts to your pipeline without leaving. Drip report. For a drip campaign, the report breaks down by each drip. At the top, tabs for full campaign overview, drip 1, and drip 2, each showing a delivery progress bar and the time it went out. The contact table shows delivery status across every drip in one view, so you can see exactly how each contact moved through the sequence. And the bulk action menu works the same way. Select contacts and add to tag, broadcast, export, or convert to lead right from the report. That's the full process, from creating a campaign to reading its results. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.